In this video, I'm going to talk about the quickest and easiest way to move your CoinManage from one computer to another. And we get this question a lot because we have customers who've bought a new computer and they want to move CoinManage to the new computer, or perhaps their old computer is starting to die, so they've again bought a new computer and they want to move CoinManage there. So the first step is this. I'm on my, let's say the source or computer number 1, and I'm running CoinManage. And so what I want to do is just under the Tools menu, click on Backup Data to Internet, and that's going to save all your text data and images, any images that you have added to a secure location on the internet. After I've done this, I'm going to exit CoinManage. Now I've moved to the new computer I bought, or computer number 2, the target computer. And I've installed CoinManage, and this is important, I've activated it as well. And one way to verify that you've activated CoinManage is under Help, select About CoinManage, and you'll see the activation code here. If you have not activated it, it should say Not Registered. So I've got this fresh install of CoinManage on computer number 2, and I want to retrieve my data that I backed up to the internet from the source computer. So again, under Tools, you'll see right below Backup Data to Internet is Restore Data from Internet Backup. And this is going to basically just restore the images and text data that I backed up in the previous step. So now you get this error message, and what this is doing is it's first going to back up anything you may have entered here, just in case you made a mistake, and we don't want to delete your data before we back it up. So click on Yes. As you can see here, all the data from the internet has been restored. Now, if your situation is a bit more complicated than this, let's say, for example, you have CoinManage 2016, and then you purchased the 2020 version, and you want to move from an old computer to a new, etc., etc. There's many different scenarios. Under Help, CoinManage support page here. If you come here and scroll down a bit, yeah, right here, you can see here, I've purchased a new computer. How can I install CoinManage? Right here, we have a pretty extensive list on all the things you need to do to transfer CoinManage to the new computer. And I believe we also have an older video. If you search for our videos, you'll see an older video that is quite detailed as to all these different scenarios. So, okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.